Hey, it's John-Marc, and thanks for checking out my latest drawing video on teaching you how to draw cartoons in 3 easy steps. Well, as you can see, this character is a phenomenal, well-known character, aka the Tasmanian Devil. As you can see, he is a very intricate type of a character, and he was one of my favorite ones when I worked at Warner Brothers making all those phenomenal cartoon shirts for them. Anyways, so what I want you to take home and watch this very careful lesson. He has a lot of details. He has a lot of position with his fur and his hands. These character trademarks are really wonderful for him. His anger, his personality, even his hair on the top of his head kind of looks like little horns, aka the Tasmanian Devil. Alright, so if you have a paper and pencil, I think we're ready to begin this lesson. Here's step 1. And here's step 2. And here's the final third step. Don't forget to stop at our website, that's jmg-studio.biz. If you enjoyed this video, I'm sure you're going to enjoy our latest drawing book that's now available on our website, How to Draw 50 Cute Cartoons. So make sure you stop at our website, that's jmg-studio.biz. And thanks a lot.